the traditional way of blowing the lock This performance is a tribute to the Yimkhiung a log drum. In the old days, log drums played a significant role in the Yimkhiung community. The Yimkhiung forefathers regarded it as a symbol of victory, prosperity, truthfulness, and considered it as a symptom of a long wait of warfare. During the preparation of the log drum in the deep jungles, the leader of the tribe leads the first strike on the selected tree trunk. It is believed that if fresh leaves fall, it indicated longevity and prosperity. However, if dry leaves fell, it indicated misfortune for the community. Would beat the log drum to announce their victory over their enemies before shifting the log drum into the river. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give the Yimkhiung cultural troupe a big round of applause. Cultural program 6 Guru में cultural troupes खाएंगे